Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is video 4 of my Grow Along With Me series, where we're learning how much food can be grown in a small space. In the last few weeks we properly filled and watered a large growing bag. We then planted some onions and garlic, and last week some carrots. This week we're sowing our turnips, which I've been really looking forward to. Luna, on the other hand, is not fussed. Checking on the growing bag this morning, we can see that many of the onion sets have started to grow and are looking really healthy. Almost all of the garlic has started to pop out of the compost too. There's no movement from the carrots yet, but that is to be expected. Carrots take some time to germinate and always get gardeners fidgety. We sowed a whole packet there, so I'm confident we just need to be patient. While you're checking on your growing area, keep an eye out for any pests that could be crawling around. First thing in the morning is a great time to spot slugs and snails while they're slowly heading back to their hideaways for the day. Remove them so they don't eat all of our seedlings. Okay, let's crack on with the turnips. I'm sowing this snowball variety, which I've done in the past and found them very easy to grow and very tasty. With a pencil, make a small hole in the compost, about this deep. We're going to be multi-sowing these turnips and we're not going to thin them down, so we'll let a cluster grow together. Because of this, leave a little space between the holes to allow the turnips room to grow into. As before though, go right up to the edge. Next, open the seed packet and loosen the seeds by giving the packet a flick or two. Pour into your cupped hand and separate 3 to 4 seeds. Pinch these and drop them into the first hole. Repeat this step for all of the holes you've made. The easiest way to collect any leftover seeds is to scoop them up with a seed packet like so. Fold the top of the packet over to stop the seeds falling out, and this can be stored for a couple of years. Cover the holes back over with some compost, and then, using a spray bottle or a fine rose watering can, water this area so the compost falls down around the seeds. Lastly, make yourself a label and pop this in place. And there we go, the growing area is starting to fill up, but we've got lots of space left. Next week, you have a little freedom to plant what you want. Get yourself a packet of cut and come again lettuce or salad leaves though, we're going to try something. With the second crop, try to choose something compact. I'm probably going to go for Swiss chard or spinach, but it would be a good chance to grow a herb if there's something that you use a lot of. I would steer clear of anything which trails or vines though, we really haven't got the space for that. Thank you to my patrons for supporting the channel and for helping me pay for seeds. Please leave your thoughts and progress down in the comments and I'll see you all next week. Thank you and happy growing.